Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn GK, and here our first topic is famous Indians. So, first is he is a famous actor. He acted in the films Dangal and Secret Superstar. So, you can guess. He is a Amir Khan. Amir Khan got Padma Shri Award in 2003, also got Padma Bhushan Award in 2010. Now, next one is he was a scientist. He was called the Missile Man of India. He was also the President of India. So, he is APJ Abdul Kalam. He is APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam born in 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram. His full name is Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. He is Indian scientist and politician. APJ Abdul Kalam served as a president of the India from 2002 to 2007. He got Padma Bhushan Award in 1980. Also got Padma Vibhushan and Bharat Ratna Award in 1990 and 1997. He died in 27th July 2015 in Shillong. Now, next one is he is popularly known as Mahi. He was born in Ranchi. He is the most successful Indian Test captain. So he is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, born in 7th July 1981 in Ranchi. His nickname is Mahi, Captain Cool, MSD, MS. He got 3 national awards. He got Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2007, Padma Shri Award in 2009, and Padma Bhushan Award in 2018. His favorite cricketer is Sachin Tendulkar. His favorite bowler is Brett Lee, and his favorite actor is Amitabh Bachchan and John Abraham. Now, next one is he is a music composer and singer. He learned to play musical instrument at a very young age. His real name is A.S. Dilip Kumar. So you can guess whose name is A.S. Dilip Kumar. He is A.R. Rahman. A.R. Rahman, born in 6 January 1967 in Chennai. A.R. Rahman is an Indian composer, singer, and music producer who works in Tamil and Hindi movies. Now, next one is he is known as the Flying Sikh because he could run very fast. He was in the Indian Army. A film has been made on his life. So he is Milkha Singh. Okay, he is Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh, born in 20th November 1929, Govindpura in Pakistan. His nationality is an Indian. He has written one book, The Race of My Life. He also won gold medals in 1958 and 1962 in Asian Games. He got Padma Shri Award. Now, next one is she was not born in India. She spent her life caring for the sick and the poor in India. She was awarded the Bharat Ratna. So, she is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa, born in 26th August 1910 in North Macedonia. Mother Teresa came to India in 1929. She adopted the citizenship of India after living for years in the country. The pious lady was awarded Padma Shri in 1962. She was also awarded Bharat Ratna in 1980. 5th September 1997 was the day when she breathed last. Mother Teresa was globally famous for her service toward the poor and sick people. Now, our topic is cities of India. The city was previously called Madras. So, this city is Chennai. Chennai, also known as Madras, is the capital of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It has a population of about 7 million people. Almost 10% of all the people in the state live in Chennai. The city is the fourth largest city of India. Now, next is the city is called the Garden City of India. It is the capital of Karnataka. So, this one is Bangalore. Bangalore, officially known as Bangalore, is the capital of the Indian state of Karnataka. Now, next is this is the national capital of India. This one is New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is one of the busiest cities in our country. There are many monuments in Delhi which makes it a historical place. New Delhi also many parks, forests and playgrounds. Next is the city is also called the city of joy. So this city is called Kolkata. Kolkata was earlier known as Calcutta. It is a city made by the British Empire. It was the capital of British India from 1773 to 1911. Kolkata is famous for its dessert and sweets. Misti doi, sandesh, rasagulla, laddu, cham cham, pitta are some of the famous sweets of Kolkata. Now, next is the city has the famous landmark, the Gateway of India. So, this one is Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital city of Indian state of Maharashtra. It is the financially capital of India. The city is the second most populous in the world. Now, next one is the Charminar is located in this city. Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a very big city. The size of the city is about 650 square kilometers. Hyderabad was found in the year 1591 by 5th Qutub Sahib ruler Muhammad Quli Qutab Shah. It is the capital of Andhra Pradesh.